solve this equation. So we are given x on 2 times x on 2 equals to 2 on x. So let's multiply this. So we have x on 2 times x on 2 equals to that. So x times x will be x squared on 2 times 2, 4, equals to 2 on x. So let's go ahead and do cross multiplication. So x squared times x, then 4 times 2. So we have x cubed equals to 8. All right. So we have x cubed minus 8 equals to 0. So this one becomes an identity. Now when we're given a to the power 3 minus b to the power 3, the same as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. B squared, okay. So we can write this one as s cubed minus, so 8 the same as 2 to the power 3 equal to 0. Okay, so we have x minus 2 times, so we have x squared, then 2 times x plus 2 squared equal to 0. So we have x minus 2 equal to 0, therefore x equals 2. And x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared is 4 equal to 0. So this one is a quadratic equation. All right, so we have x squared plus 2x plus 4. So let's go ahead and solve for x. Okay, so let's use the almighty formula, minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So my a here is 1, b is 2, and c is 4. So we have x, so minus 2 plus or minus b squared 4 times 1 times 4, 2 times 1. So we have minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16, 2. So my x is minus 2 plus or minus, so minus 12, okay, on 2. All right, this side can be adjusted. Now we can adjust this one. So minus 2 plus or minus, so you can say minus 1 times 12 on 2. So I have minus 2 plus or minus 1 times 12. So minus square root of minus 1 is the same as I. So you can say that minus 2 plus or minus 12 I on 2. Now, square root of 12 is the same as 4 times 3. So we can say 2 root 3 here. So we have x equals minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3I on 2. Therefore, the final answer will be x minus 2 plus 2 root 3I on 2 on 2, or x minus 2 minus 2 root 3I on 2 on 2. So this side will be minus 1 plus root 3I. And this side will be minus 1 minus 3I. So we have 3 answers: x equals 2, and x equals this, and x equals that. All right.